Today I'm going to show how to install WordPress manually on live server. Log into hosting account. Open control panel. Click on file manager. I'm creating a folder named home for my WordPress installation under root directory. We can install WordPress on root directory also. Okay, now we created a directory. Go to WordPress official website to download latest version of WordPress. Click on download WordPress. See, now downloading has started. Go to control panel to create database. Click on MySQL database wizard. Enter the database name. Go to next to create database user. We have already created the database. Now we are going to create database user. Enter username and password. Now click on create user. Now we create a database and database user. Assign all privileges to database user on the database. Move on to next step to complete the task. Go back to the control panel. Now we can check PHP admin to view our new database. Yes, here we can see our new database. MyDB is a database. Okay, let's move to the control panel. Click on File Manager to upload WordPress zip file. Click on Upload button. Select the WordPress file from local PC. Go to the File Manager. We can see the WordPress zip file. Right-click on zip file. Select Extract to unzip the file. Find the file wp-config-sample.php. Edit the file. Here we are going to change database details. Here we are going to change database details, username and password. We are going to modify database details of our new database. This is our new database. Click on Save Changes. Now we are going to rename the wp-config-sample.php to wp-config.php. Next, we are going to install WordPress on live server. Open new browser, enter the domain name. Now installation page is open. Select the language, click continue. Enter site title. Enter admin username and password to access WordPress backend or admin dashboard. From admin dashboard, we will customize and manage WordPress website. Enter administrative username. Enter email address to recover the admin login password in case we forget password. Enter the administrative. Enter the email ID to recover the admin login password in case we forget password. Install WordPress to begin installation. The installation is complete. Log in to admin dashboard using admin login. This is the admin dashboard. We can check the front end. From the admin dashboard, we can install theme. Here we can customize the website. We can customize the website over here. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you find helpful.